Guys, I just wanted to jump on and do a quick intro for this next video, and this is another video highlighting the spotlight technique. This is a new technique to me and I am absolutely loving it, and the stamp set that is included in the Garden Treasures card making kit, that is absolutely perfect for showcasing it. I mean, all stamps generally are, however, this one just seems more particularly wonderful for doing the spotlight technique. This is another play on the one that I put up previously, the video that I put up previously, where I had used my Copic markers to color the bloom, fussy cut it, and then I layered it on top of the card base. This one, I made a card stock panel. I just am not being able to enunciate today. My apologies. I cut down a panel of cardstock to stamp the images on directly, and that is where I am doing my heat embossing. And I did this specifically because I never remember to do this when I'm heat embossing, and the card base ends up getting warped from the heat when I go to set that embossing powder. So this time I remembered and I cut out the panel. And what I'm doing here is I am coming back in with the outline stamp, lining it up as closely as I can get it on that black stamp. And then I'm going to come in here in just a bit and emboss that with some Versamark using a white glitter embossing powder. And again, you will notice I am keeping everything in the background is going to be black and white. That is the primary feature in the spotlight technique. And the only other thing that I came in on this cardstock panel was I added a black border with a Copic marker when I was all done coloring in that middle flower. And to color in that flower, I used just an inexpensive set of glitter pens. That was it. I got it from a store here in the US called Five Below. They had a pack. I don't know what they still have available. They changed their stuff out, but I feel pretty certain that wherever you may be here in the States or abroad, you can find yourself a cheap set of these glitter pens to use. And that's it. That's, other than the embossing powders and stuff like that, for coloring or embossing, I didn't even add any gemstones or anything from the card making kit. I did one layer for the card panel, and then that I attached to the card base. And all I finished it off with was the happy birthday sentiment stamp that is included in the same little stamp set that you see. It's down in the right corner of this scene or the shot of the video. But again, I can't stress enough, simple, whatever level you want to go. There's so many things you can do with the stuff in this card kit, and I thought this was a really good way to round out the main videos that I have made to showcase the Garden Treasures card making kit. And there will be more. This isn't the only videos that I'll be putting up, but these were the main ones that I wanted to focus to bring your attention to just how versatile this card making kit is. There is so many different things that are included, which for me personally, given how much card making I do, the fact that so much is included, there's so much use you can get out of it, that it is definitely the best value for anything that I've purchased personally that's out there. So never worry that you're getting what you're paying for. You absolutely are with this kit, and I could never stress that enough. So again, I'm doing simple to highlight different parts of the card kit that I've been using. Especially the papers are absolutely gorgeous. I love that little squirrel stamp set, is adorable. So you can use that on adult cards, you can use it on kid cards. And again, same with this one. I could have made this a rainbow and could have easily turned this into a children's card, and it could still be, but you know, it's just simple is absolutely fantastic. And hopefully you guys have fun watching me put this all together. And go check out Dawn's YouTube channel, go check out the other design team members, and you can just see all the different things that have been getting created with this one kit. And that's the same with anything that you purchase from Shiny Silver Treasures. You can get so much use out of it. So I'm going to leave off here, and I hope you guys just have so much fun hanging out, because as always, I say it all the time and I will always say it. It is so much fun hanging out with you guys, sharing ideas, enjoying the community. So enjoy the music for the rest of this video, and all the links, of course, will be down in the description box below. And take care, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video.